Benvenuti! Welcome to Italian for Beginners. I'm your Italian teacher Sara, and today I'm with a new lesson. 10 minutes, just 10 minutes. Give this video 10 minutes and speak Italian fluently. Let's begin. Ciao. Hello. Hi. Ciao means in English hello. Hi. Arrivederci. Arrivederci means goodbye. Arrivederci, goodbye. Sì, yes, sì, yes, no, no. Ciao, arrivederci, sì. Next one is scusa. Scusa, sorry. Scusa means in English, sorry. Aiuto, help. Aiuto, help. Dove, where. Dove, where. Next one is quando, when. Quando, when. Chi, who. Chi, who. Che, what. Che, what. Quando, when. Chi, who. Che, what. Next one is come, how. Come, how. Bello, beautiful. Bello, beautiful. Mamma mia, wow, my goodness. Mamma mia, wow, my goodness. Come, how. Bello, beautiful. Mamma mia, wow, my goodness. Come, bello, mamma mia. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel, then please subscribe it for more helpful videos like this. Next one is andiamo. Andiamo, let's go. Andiamo, let's go. Fammi vedere. Fammi vedere, show me. Fammi vedere, show me. Buon appetito. Buon appetito. Enjoy your meal. Buon appetito, enjoy your meal. Andiamo, let's go. Fammi vedere, show me. Buon appetito, enjoy your meal. Must like this video and comment if you like. Let's move on to our next phrases. Practice them if you want to practice it. Pause the video and practice it 1 or 2 times if you want. Okay? If you want to learn any language fast, then you need to practice it every day in your daily routine. So please practice them in your daily routine. Our next phrase is, this is the simplest phrase, salute. Salute were used for cheers, or we can say bless you when someone sneezes. Okay? You can say salute if someone sneezes, or you can cheer someone. Okay? Salute, cheers. Salute. Focus on the pronunciation, please, and practice it if you want. Salute. Cheers. Bless you when someone sneezes. Okay? Salute means bless you when someone sneezes, and when you want to cheer up someone, then you can use it. Salute. Our next phrase is va bene. Okay. Alright. Va bene means in English okay and alright. Presto, hurry up. Presto, hurry up. Basta, enough. Stop it. Basta, enough. Stop it. Va bene, okay, alright. Presto, hurry up. Basta, enough. Stop it. These are the easiest phrases you can remember today, okay? So make sure you can remember them today. Next one is perché. Perché, why. Perché, why. Va bene, okay. Va bene, okay. Grazie mille. Grazie mille. Grazie means thanks and mille means a lot. Grazie mille, thanks a lot. Perché va bene, grazie mille. Perché means in English why. Okay? Next one is non lo so. I don't know. Non lo, I don't so I don't know. Non lo so, I don't know. Che bello, how nice. Che bello, how nice. Che peccato, what a shame. Che, what, peccato, shame. Che peccato, what a shame. Non lo so, I don't know. Che bello, how nice. Che peccato, what a shame. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, then please subscribe it for more helpful videos like this. Next one is mi manchi. I miss you. Me, I. Manchi, miss you. Mi manchi. Che strano. Che, how. Strano, strange. Che strano, how strange. Che succede? Che succede? What's happening? Che, what, succede, happening. Che succede? Mi manchi, I miss you. Che strano, how strange. Che succede, what's happening. Focus on the pronunciation of succede. Succede. Che succede. If you like the video, then must like it and comment if you like it. Next one is che ne dici? Che ne dici? What do you think? Or it also means what do you say? Che what ne dici? Do you think or what do you say? Che fai? Che what fai? Are you doing? Che fai? What are you doing? Che fortuna. Che fortuna. How lucky. Che fortuna. How lucky. Che ne dici? What do you think? Che fai? What are you doing? Che fortuna. How lucky. Now let's move on to our next phrases. If you want to practice them, you can pause the video and practice them 1 or 2 times if you want. Our next phrase is che schifo. Che, how, schifo, disgusting. Che schifo, how disgusting. Che carino, how cute. Che carino, how cute. Che casino, what a mess. Che casino, what a mess. Che schifo, how disgusting. Che carino, how cute. And che casino, what a mess. Next one is che bel film. Che bel film. What a nice movie. Che bel, what a nice film, movie. Che bel film. Che tempo fa? Che tempo fa? What the weather like? Che, what's tempo, weather, fa, like. Che tempo fa? What's the weather like? Let's move on to our next phrases. And listen, if you want to learn a language quickly, then you need to practice it every day in your daily routine. So please use these phrases in your daily routine. Then you can become fluent in Italian. And you can speak like a native speaker, okay? If you remember them. Next one is che barba. Che barba. How boring. If you find something boring, you can say che barba, how boring. Our next phrase is che fame, I'm so hungry. Che fame, I'm so hungry. Ciao, a presto. Bye everyone, see you soon. Hope you liked the video. Then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. Thank you for watching. Arrivederci.